This is the Sears Crosstown building as we knew as kids growing up, the Sears and Roebuck catalog company. This building actually broke ground in 1927. It took 180 days to build the first portion here, about 650,000 square feet. They worked 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. Sears and Roebuck, of course, was the big catalog center. We'd get and when I was a kid growing up, we'd get the catalogs in the mail and fight over the catalog. But the groundbreaking was in 1927. Mayor Rolett Payne was out here. There was 3,000 people out here for the groundbreaking, and they said almost 47,000 citizens walked through the building on opening day. That's about 1/4 of the population of Memphis at the time. Now, what was significant about it, it was built out here in suburbia at the time. The Memphis city limits only went out to Binghamton at the time until 1929 when it went out to Goodlet. So we were way out 2 miles from downtown, which was the retail and office center of Memphis at the time. Out here in this area, they're trying to develop around Overton Park as suburban neighborhoods. The automobiles were coming in. We had grown from 8 automobiles in 1904 to almost 50,000 automobiles by 1930. So you had to have shopping centers out here and shopping areas out in the suburban area. There was a retail store here plus the catalog center. The building was again opened in 1927. It was built 5 different phases, expanded out to 1.5 million cubic feet as the business grew over the century, including the garage right over here. And now you have, it closed in 1993, and now you have the Crosstown Concourse, which is a great new urban vertical village here. Multiple uses of restaurants, retail, residential, arts, education, entertainment, just a magnificent center here. Just a great Gothic building from the 1920s, now in the 21st century being a very prosperous and utilized place.